everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Mukonyane Studios. I'm Mama Tony Mukonyane, and today we are taking a look at the new site by Mukonyane Property Group. Today we're on site at Casa Acacia, and we've just completed the superstructure. We're about to start with the finishes, so let's go take a look inside and see how it's going. So we enter this home through the grand entrance, which leads us to the grand entrance hall. On my right, we've got the spiral staircase that leads us upstairs, and to my left, we have a powder room that is for the floor. As we walk to the right, we are met by the first double garage, and to the left, we have another double garage mirroring the one on the right. So we've got our main hallway going through the spine of the house, and we have our various living spaces coming off of it. So our first space off of the hallway is a large private lounge with a beautiful corner window and a box set ceiling. On my right, we are met with the dining room that has a similar box set ceiling to the private lounge. We also have a big window letting in a lot of light. And to my left, we have a beautiful large kitchen that also has a box set that will be above the main island in the kitchen. To my right, we have our pantry, and to my left, we have the scullery. And as we walk through the rest of the house, we are now in the main living area, the main lounge, which has a similar box set ceiling to the dining room and the private lounge. And right off of that, we have a kiddies room, a kiddies playroom, which will then be closed off by a sliding door. And next to that, we have a bar. Right behind me, we have a dry area that leads to the outside. As we get to the back of the house, we are met by our first bedroom on this floor, which is the guest bedroom. It has a walk-through, dressing room, and a bathroom. So at the back of the house, we have a staircase that runs the height of the home, which will then lead us down to the basement.
The basement is a process that took us a few months to construct. It began with the excavation of soil 3 meters below ground using an excavator. It was then followed by leveling and compacting of the base of the floor. The subsoil drainage was installed at this point, collecting water around the basement into the sub. A plastic insulation USB was then overlaid by the foundation's reinforcements. We then poured the first layer of concrete to act as a base. The walls were then shuttered and fixed for steel before being poured, leaving a concrete shelf for us to build the inner walls, housing both the cinema and the wine cellar. The roof went through the same process as the base and the walls, concluded by the waterproofing on the outside of the basement.
As we walk up the stairs, we have this large window letting in lots of light to all of the floors. So as we get upstairs, we enter the hallway, which mirrors the one downstairs. On this floor, we have the rest of the bedrooms in the home, which includes our master bedroom and all the kids' bedrooms. To our left, we enter the master bedroom. We have a large master bedroom, which has a beautiful balcony right off of it. As we enter the master bedroom's en-suite bathroom, to our right, we will have a double shower. We have an enclosed toilet, a double vanity, and a freestanding tub. And as we go through, we will then have a walk-in closet. Right next door to the master bedroom, we have another large bedroom with a walk-through dresser and its own bathroom. And to our right, we have a living room. Okay, so moving further along To our right, we have another kid's bedroom. This bedroom has a large walk-in closet and a beautiful balcony. It also has a Jack and Jill bathroom. This bedroom is similar to the one we saw. Large bedroom with a walk-in closet and a beautiful balcony. Right outside this kiddie's bedroom, we have another powder room for this floor, which is similar to the one that we saw downstairs. As we move along, we enter this beautiful pajama lounge, which overlooks our double volume entrance hall that we saw as we entered the home. On the other end of the home, to our left, we have a study. So here we have the final room on this floor, which is similar to the others, with a walk-through closet and its own bathroom. But the most beautiful thing of all, the balcony. We are now in our backyard, and here we have our pool that will have a beautiful water feature. And here we have our bama that will be able to sit lots of people around the fire. To the back of the yard, we have our gym that also has a powder room. This wraps up a tour of the home. I can't wait till you see the final product.